I actually have a challenge called discoid lupus. The biggest thing was it led me to have osteoarthritis. The biggest challenge was not being able to dance the way that I like to dance. It was getting progressively worse. I have been on Aleve, I have been on prednisone, I have been on so many different things to make that pain go away. And I would wake up like screaming because I was in so much pain with the knee. Sometimes felt like a hammer hammering my knee. I would be in bed and I would feel that slam and my knee would go up and I would just scream. I'm the cool grandma. And so they wanted me to get a trampoline. Nanny, come on, get a trampoline with us. And I knew I couldn't, I would try. And so I felt like it was taking so much from me because I was always in pain. I was in pain every single day. And I would say sometimes 13, 14 hours a day. I couldn't kneel to pray. I couldn't do it. It hurt so bad. I'd be in church and we all go to kneel and I couldn't do it. My doctor in California did recommend or suggest that eventually I would have to have knee replacement or some type of knee surgery. And I told them I wasn't interested. The reason why I said no is because I was concerned about the risks. I just felt like there's gotta be something else that I can do before I'm going under a knife or going under a laser. And so I was at the gym one day and I saw the advertisement for Arthritis Knee Pain Center. I looked at it and I'm a person of faith, and so I don't believe in coincidences. And I said, that's the place. It was just something about it. I literally went home and called that day, trying not to get emotional. And I said, can you help me? They said, let's get you in here. I would like to say to anyone who is afraid of needles, no one is more afraid of needles than I am. I could see the needle and start shaking and want to pass out. Please hear from me that you feel absolutely nothing. There is no pain. There's no reason to actually be fearful. You just come sit down and let them do what they do. I started feeling relief probably, honestly, 2 hours later. I know it was definitely because of the injection. However, the brace, that really increased me not feeling any more pain because it kind of held my knee together. It's actually a miracle that I don't have any pain. I can't make people understand how devastating it is, and to be in pain every day, like every day. For me, the healing came through this center. In the processes, in the treatments, that's how the healing came. And for me, that was still healing that came from God. I believe in this place so strongly until I would say, even if it's not in your area, call them. Just call them, because I think that they could somehow figure out something that could help you. So I think it's incredibly important that if you're in pain like I was, you need to find your way to this center. People come from all over the world to the Mayo Clinic for things that, are probably much more in pain, or, cancer, things like that. I think that people can come to this center for knee pain. Maybe make it a vacation, maybe make it a couple of weekends. I don't know what it is that you might have to do, but that's how strongly I believe it.